Good afternoon. This is Darth Brooklyn of BrooklynTrader.com. This is our week in review for Friday, the 18th of July. Hope you all had a good week, especially with everything that's been going on around the world. It's the terrible attack on that plane, the Malaysian Airlines airliner over Ukraine, as well as the fighting in Israel. So it's been a very trying week, and the markets have been pretty much all over the place. However, still overall, sticking to an overall uptrend. But let's go over the trades for this week from my newsletter that did trigger. So we had Extreme Networks that triggered on the 16th. Traded down to 455. I'm sorry, traded up through 455, went as high as 458. Long position, went as high as 458, and then just started to trade sideways and down. So we were still long the position. It's only about 4% against us. Closed today at 437. So we're a few cents away. So that position we're down 4% on. Then we had AK Steel traded up through 860 on the 17th when it triggered, which was yesterday. So that initiated a long position in AK Steel at 860, and then today it traded as high as 893 for a maximum move of 3.84%. If this thing breaks 9, I think we'll really start to get some big movement out of it. But still, 4% gain on one day is not too bad. And it closed at 883, so the position would be up at you'd be up 2.67% on the position now if you didn't sell anything a little higher, near 4% if you didn't trim your positions at all. But just like I said, when I send out the emails, trim your positions when you're in the money. You start taking profits. Cut your positions down and let the rest ride. We have Arch Call as a short position. It traded down to 315 on the 17th. So that triggered yesterday, actually right near the bell. And then it traded down to 310 today. It had a hard time breaking 312. It hit that twice. Finally, all the buyers fell at 312, and it started trading down to 11 and 10 cents. I mean, not much of a gain on the day, but there was a lot of volume, so that looks good for next week. So the maximum move was $1.59%, big deal. And stock closed at 312, so we're still up a little bit on the position, but it's looking really good going into next week. And then we have Arena, which triggered a short at 475 on the 16th on Monday. So we've been carrying that all week. It really didn't go anywhere, and it's been pretty much against us by 20 cents now, which computes to 4% against us. But I think this one's still looking good for next week. But like I said when I put the alert out, these one-hit wonder biotech stocks, you got to be very careful. So like I said in the email that I sent out to the subscribers, put on half size. Don't go in with the full size you usually would for any of the other positions, because these stocks can just gap huge one way or the other. I think this is still going to continue lower, but if it doesn't and it goes to our stop, it's not going to be much of a loss in percentage terms. So there you have it. So it was an okay week. I mean, it wasn't like last week where we had a blockbuster with the Eagle bulk shipping. We made a 41% return on that position. But it's okay. I'll take it. Happy with the positions. They look good going into next week with a nice run in AK Steel today. So hopefully took some money off the table there and are still going to ride some into Monday. So that's pretty much it. That's a wrap, and I hope you all have a great weekend and enjoy the great weather coming up. All right, take care, guys, and I will see you on Monday. And for my subscribers, you will get a new alert sheet on Sunday. Okay, take care.